Alright guys, well I got my car delivered from Watsika today. Let's go check that out. It should be great. That shit looks fucked up. Look at this. Yeah. It's not looking that hot at all. The inside's nice though. Nothing's wrong with the back. Oh, this is the tire that blew out. I don't know if you could see that. That shit's fucked up. This rim's curled. This other tire blew out. And this rim is all tacoed up. I don't know how to explain it. Yeah. So that's what I survived. Scary, huh?